All right, everybody. I'm working on this 87 Corvette today. Working on the door panels. Doing a little bit of restoration. You got the door panels here. Inside the seats. Worked on those a little bit. But this is the door panel taken out. This is the one I'm finna put in. I'm trying to salvage some panels that I bought a while ago. I put some paint on them just a little while ago. Bring them out and let y'all see what they look like. That's after the paint. And here's the other one. I gotta paint it. But they all need a little bit of work. But it ain't gonna take much to get them back. But that's the other one. And if you have this color, and if you're looking for the paint, I got it off of eBay. And this is that's the color right there, the part number and the color. I tried looking it up at O'Reilly's and AutoZone, but they don't have it. And this is what it looks like. So if you're doing a restoration, you could probably find this online on eBay or Amazon and order you some of this. They got other colors, but saddle was hard to find.